So today I am going to talk about spirituality and a dimension in it. Okay. So let's say today I want to take a dimension of light. Okay. Light is a very beautiful thing. Okay. In the whole day, through light you see many things like butterfly, animals, sky, and near object near about you, plants, and other colorful things in nature. Okay, so it is a magic of light through which you see these things. Okay, you see yourself, that is light fall upon our retina, then reflected, and then inverted image, and then we see object and variety of things in various colors, in various shape and sizes, in different places. Okay, so it is just a phenomena of light. Okay, when you see in the night, you see everything is there as it is, but due to absence of light we are not able to see anything. In full moon day, if some light occur, we see things, and things are very beautiful occur in the midnight when full moon is its full presence. Okay, many monumental like Taj Mahal in full moon, Taj Mahal look like a very beautiful. Temples like Kailasa temples look very beautiful in moonlight. Okay, so in daylight we see objects as it is every time, but in night we see object only when moon is its in full form, or let's say either some day before and some day after full moon. Okay, because light is in a minimal scale or in a larger scale present here and there. Okay, so every object is present at its situation, but due to absence of light we are not able to see. When Edison invented light, then we see object in our home in closed pack, in four walls we see room due to the presence of light. In many industry, in movie industry, in reality shows, we use it lights in its different color and its different form to showcase things which we are not able to showcase in the presence of sunlight or moonlight. That means we use artificial light to see things. Okay, so it is just we see things is a physical phenomena. In physical phenomena, in physical dimension we see things, and light play a role here. Okay, when we close our eyes, a light is also what I can say, a light is also present in our inner dimension, but it is in a different kind. We are not able to see it clearly look black when we close our eyes. Okay, but it is a very subtle dimension. When you close your eye, you see black and also variety of colors. Just try to do this. Okay, when you close my eyes, when I close my eyes, I see purple color light, red color light, dark pitch black light, and many different colors of light. In inner dimension I'm talking about. In outer dimension there are many sets of each and every color. Okay, but in inner dimension very few color but very intense. Okay, so in physical dimension we see variety of lights, variety of color. In non-physical dimension black is dominant. Okay, because what we know is just 5%, and light constitute that part, and what we do not know is 95%, and black constitute that part, that is non-physical dimension. In Hinduism we worship Shiva, and in science we discover a black hole. And when you know the core of it, or when you study and try to find a core of both are same. Both are talking about non-physical dimension and things which we do not know. And in spirituality, in Indian spirituality, a very knowledgeable person and who experience things by their own say that we as a human being very much possible to experience the non-physical dimension, but it requires a lots of sadhana. Until now very few people are able to do that. Okay, if we want to know that things, first of all we have to experience this. That's why very few good teachers are available on planet earth today, who talk about truth, who talk about every dimension, and it's in real form, not in its fake form. For sake of money, people distorted things and present it in a manner people attracted to it, but it is a responsibility of viewers that l- hear, listen, see things which are very much close to reality, if not reality, very much close to reality, and try to find out reality or truth about yourself. Okay, and help who are going on the path of truth, because nowadays people not supporting this, but reality or actuality is that we have to support that dimension, because that is truth. People share their experience. Okay, other things are just, you can say, a illusion in the world. Okay, so we have to see, hear, listen things which are very much close to real, and always try to find reality and truth and go near to it. Okay, so I hope you love today's lecture. Namaskaram. Thank you.